Good morning, students. How are you? Oh, fine. Okay. Students, in the last class, what we have done? I will forget? No. Can you tell me what we have done in last class? Yes, we have done angles. We have done angles. And what will you do in today class? Triangle. What is a triangle? Triangle is a polygon that is formed by three line segments. Or we can say that the triangle is a polygon with least sides. Means if a question is asked, name the polygon which has the least number of sides. So what will be the answer? Triangle. So triangle is that polygon which has least number of sides. Triangle is that polygon which has least number of sides. Is that clear? This is a triangle. It has the only three sides. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. And what we use instead of writing triangle word, what we do? We make a symbol of triangle. That is triangle. That is triangle. That is triangle. We use a symbol that is triangle. Now a triangle has how many sides? A triangle has 6 sides. Sorry, a triangle has 3 sides: AB, BC, and AC. A triangle has 3 sides: AB, BC, and CA. A triangle has 3 angles: angle A, angle B, and angle C. We have different ways to write the name of angles. And a triangle has how many vertex? What is vertex? Where two line segments meet each other, they are called vertex. So a triangle has how many vertex? A triangle has 3 vertex: vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. And if this is called the triangular region. If a point is inside a triangle, that is called interior, and if a point is outside a triangle, that is called exterior. I am repeating again, students. Look at the board and be attentive in the class. What we have to do? This is a triangle. A triangle has 3-sided polygon. A triangle is a 3-sided polygon. How many sided? 3-sided polygon. It is that polygon which has the least number of sides. How many sides? It has 3 sides, it has 3 angles, it has 3 vertices. And if a point is inside, it is called interior, and if a point is outside, that is called exterior. Is that clear? Now comes to the first question. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle. What is the first question? Draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. We have already drawn. What we have to do? Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC, and you have to mark the point P and Q. P is inside and Q is outside. So this is a triangle. This is a question number first. पहले आपको क्या करना है? Rough sketch draw करना है. Then you have to point the P in interior and Q is at exterior. Is the point A in its interior or in exterior? Where the point A lies? No, point A is neither interior nor exterior. The point A lies on the triangle. So what will be the answer? Point A lies on the triangle. So this is the question number first. Is that clear? You have to draw a rough figure, you have to draw a point interior, and you have to draw a point exterior. Next question is identify 3 triangles in the figure. You have given a figure. What you have given? You have given a figure. That is A, B, C, and D. 3 triangles. Identify 3 triangles. Now you have to identify 3 triangles. Three triangles. You have to identify 3 triangles. Can you identify 3 triangles? Yes. First one ABC. ABC. Second one is ABD. Third one is ACD. Third one is ACD. What you have to identify? 3 triangles. But you have to identify 3 triangles. One triangle is this one, ABC. One triangle is ABC. Another is ABD and another is ACD. These are the 3 triangles. Next one. Next one. You have to tell how many angles? 7 angles. How many angles? 7. Students, exercise 4.4. This was the question number 1 and this was the question number 2. So what was the second part? The second part is how many. Write the names of 7 angles. You have to write the names of 7 angles. Mark the angle first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Is that clear? How many angles? 7. How many angles? 7. So name the angles. 7 angles. First one is BAD. BAD. Second one is ABD. Third one is BAD, ABD, ADB, ADB. First angle, second angle, third angle. You can mark this like this. Fourth one, name it ADC, ADC. Next one ACD. Next one ACD. Next one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Next one CAD. Next one CAD. And the last one is BAC. The last one is BAC. In this way you can find the 7 angles. First of mark them and then write the name. Next one is the C part. Write the names of 6 line segments. Can you tell the name of 6 line segments? 6 line segments. Yes. First one AB, then BD, then CD, then BC, then AD, and the last one is AC. These are the 6 line segments. How many line segments, students? 6. Did you get any doubt? Any doubt? Any confusion? No? Okay. The last one. Which 2 triangles have B as common? In which the B as common? B is common is triangle ABD and triangle ABC. In triangle ABD and triangle ABC, B is common. B is common. Note it down, students. I am giving you a minute to note it down fast. Quick, students. Next, we have to start the new concept today. That is also quadrilateral. That is also quadrilaterals. The concept is quadrilaterals. The concept is quadrilaterals. What will be doing quadrilaterals? Yes friends, this is the our exercise 4.4. Now we will start the 4.5. Yes students, what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilaterals, just like a triangle is a three-sided polygon, a quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. When the four sides are joined, four line segments are joined, it becomes a quadrilateral. We can say that a four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. A four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. Now it has how many sides? It has four sides. How many sides? Four sides. A, B, C, D. How can we write the four sides? A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. These are the four sides. How many sides? These are the four sides. A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. What is a quadrilateral? A four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. How many sides it has? It has four sides. A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. How many angles? It has four angles. Can you name it? Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. How many angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Any confusion? Any confusion students? No? Okay. How many adjacent sides? In the last classes we have discussed about the adjacent. Adjacent means no, which have a common vertex. Which has a common vertex. So can you write the adjacent sides? Adjacent sides. How can you identify adjacent sides? AB and BC. AB and BC are adjacent. Then BC and CD are adjacent. Then CD and DA are adjacent. And the last one DA and AB are adjacent. Pair of adjacents AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, DA, DA, AB. These all are the adjacent sides pair. So AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, DA, DA, AB. Pairs है ना? These are the adjacent. So the next one is opposite sides. Can you tell the opposite sides? Yes. AB opposite to which are facing each other. AB and DC. AB and DC are opposite to each other. And one pair more. BC and AD. BC and AD. Be attentive. AB, CD, BC, AD. These are opposite sides. After that what? Opposite angles. Can you tell the opposite angles? Opposite angle students. Yes. Angle A opposite to angle C. A or C are opposite. A and C are, and B and D are also opposite. B and D are also opposite. So students, this is a quadrilateral. What we have discussed in a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. It has four sides. It has four angles. It has four pair of adjacent sides, and it has two pair of opposite sides, and it has two pairs of opposite angles, and it has four pairs of adjacent angles. This is your homework. You have to find the four pairs of adjacent angles. A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. And the next one is, student, the question number first. Have you any doubt in this? Then you can contact me anytime. Exercise 4.5. The question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle quadrilateral PQR. Draw its diagonal. Okay, diagonal is also left out. So when we join the opposite vertex, they become the diagonal. So in that PQ, you have to draw a quadrilateral PQRS. What you have to draw? PQRS. This one is the first. PQR is a diagonal, quadrilateral. Draw its diagonal. You have to draw the diagonal. This is the diagonal. You have to only draw. You have to only draw. Name them. Diagonal's name. Can you tell the name? PR and QS. PR and QS. These are the diagonals. Is the meeting point of diagonal is interior? Yes. कहाँ पे meet कर रहे diagonals? They are meeting at O. Yes, the meeting point is in the interior. Yes, the meeting point is in the interior. Yes, meeting point is in the interior. Any doubt? These are two diagonals and these are meeting at O. Yes, the meeting point is interior. Question number 2. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. What is the name? KLMN. This is a quadrilateral. What you have to tell? You have to write the two pairs of opposite angles. How many? Two pairs of opposite angles. How many? Two pairs of opposite angles. Can you tell the two pairs of opposite angles? Yes. Angle K and M and L and angle L and angle N. These are pair of opposite angles. Opposite sides. Opposite sides. What are the opposite sides? KL and NM. KL and NM. And do next one. KN and LM. KN and LM. Any doubt, students? In first you have to write opposite angles K and M, L and N. Then opposite angles K, L and NM and K and M, LM. Next one is up two pairs of adjacent sides. Adjacent sides. What are adjacent? KL adjacent to LM and LM adjacent to NM. These are the adjacent. Look at here. KL adjacent to LM and LM adjacent to NM. And the last one is, this is D part for your homework. D part for your homework. Please attempt this. Okay, D part is for you. I am doing. Pair of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. So which one are there? K adjacent to L. Angle K adjacent to L and L and M. K adjacent to L, L adjacent to M. Is that clear, students? Is that clear? Any doubt? Thank you, students. This is the completion of our exercise 4.4 and 4.5. In the next video, we will complete the next exercise. Thanks a lot, students. Thanks.